Welcome to the second chapter of Ingress training video series. On this chapter, we will focus on the basic setup of the users such as adding, deleting and managing the users on the software and between the software and the fingertech terminals. Let's start with the department setup of your company on Ingress software. To add a new department into Ingress software, click on the Add Department button. Then insert the name of the department accordingly. You can add a sub-department or a section to the department that you have added to the software by highlighting the name of the department and click on Add Department option once again. You can alternatively add a section to your department by right-clicking on the name of the department and selecting the Add Department option. If you are willing to remove any of these departments from the software, you can highlight the name of the department and click on the Remove Department name. You can as well alternatively remove the department from the software by highlighting the name of the department, right-clicking on it, and selecting the Remove Department option. To be able to add a new user to the department that you have created inside Ingress software, click on the name of the department from the left module, then click on the Add User button. From the Add User window, for any user that you add into the Ingress software, you are required to insert the user ID and the username of that user. The rest of the information can be added to the software for each user's profile subjectively. From the user profile, the account issuance date by default refers to the date that the user has been added to the software. Following this date, the user will have attendance sheet inside Ingress software. The account expiry date, however, is the last day that the user will have attendance sheet generated for him inside Ingress software. So in case you guys will not find any information for any of the users inside Ingress software, the issuance date and the expiry date are two of the factors to affect the attendance data. You can as well insert the card number of the users inside the user profile and the privilege of the users. While uploading the user information into the devices, the following information such as the card number and the privilege of the user inside the device will be uploaded as well. Once you are done filling up the user information, click on Add and Continue to add more users to the software, or click on Add to proceed uploading the user to the device. As you can see, process completed, continue upload user to the device message will be prompted on the screen. If you press yes, you will be able to select the device that you want to upload the user information to, the user that you want to upload to the device, and the information of the user that you want to upload to the device. Once you have selected all the three, click on the Upload User Information to the device. The uploading process will be listed down in the white box, status box here, for you guys to see what information of the users has been uploaded to the device. Press on OK, check the status, what information of the user has been uploaded to the device, whether the upload of the user to the device was successful or a failure. You can check the details here. Besides adding the users one by one into the Ingress software, Ingress software allows users to batch create a number of users to the software. In order for you guys to create a number of users at once, click on the Batch Create User. At the Batch Create User, select the department that you are uploading the users to, the user ID range, the first card number that you are assigning to the first user, the username by default given as staff following by the user ID. In case you want to change the username, you can do that as well. Designation and access group if there are any to be assigned to the user, the issuance date accordingly, the group duty roster of the user, and when you are done with all the information, click on the Execute option. As you click on the Execute option, the user list will be created inside the software, and under the status box, the users will be appear. If you want to upload the created users directly to the Fingertech terminals, you can click yes on the continue upload user to device. Else you can just close this option and upload the users after you have changed the information accordingly for each user. You can see that the user information has been added to the software. If you have performed the user enrollment inside your terminals before using the software, you can download the device user list and templates to the software. To download the device user list, click on the download user, select the terminal by double-clicking on the name of the terminal from the device list. The software will connect to the device upon this process and list down the user list inside the terminal for you guys to be able to select the users that you want to upload to the software. You can select the preferred users you want to download from the terminal to the software, which information of these users you want to download from the terminals to the software, and click on the download button. After the downloading process for the selected users are completed, the list of users will be added to the software and a report of the downloaded users will be provided for you guys in the Ingress box.